Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer, and I welcome you back to another video related to B1 reading for secure English language test. This video can be extremely useful for candidates who want to take general training IELTS and their required score is 4 bands. There are so many people who do not like to read. Reading is their worst nightmare. But I'm here for you. If you don't know and you don't like to read, we're going to go through the reading module together, part by part, question by question. So it is time for us to start now. Are you ready? Let's do it. All right, so what do you see in here? We see the title first. What is the title? Read with me. Guest Feedback Questionnaire. Questionnaire. And what is step number 2? We look at any photos. If we have the photo of a hotel here. So this means this questionnaire is related to a hotel. These are step number 3, 3 options. We have these connectors, conjunction, parts of speech, a thing that joins two sentences together. Like we have but in here, although, and. Now let's read the paragraph. Please take a few minutes to complete this questionnaire. We hope you have enjoyed your stay with us. Blank. We look forward to seeing you again in the future. So, can we say, but we look forward to? No. The answer is yes. What's the answer? Right. It is and. And we look forward to seeing you again in the future. Absolutely correct.